Hi, it's Adrian here from Mars, and I've got Mark with us again today.
Hey guys.
And we're actually going to show you about our retrofit bike rack. So if you've actually got a van and you need a bike rack, we can actually retrofit it for you. And we've got two models here. So depending on how your van is at the back, depends on which model you go for. Today, we're going to fit this one, aren't we?
Yep.
So tell us a little bit about these, Mark.
So this is a receiver for the bike rack. You can put a multitude of different bike racks on the back of your van, but you need this receiver to go onto it. It replaces a plate that holds on the spare wheels and clamps on, and it's rated to about 80 kilos. So it's really, really good for your bikes.
So there you go. We're going to show you how to do it right now. All right, so here we are, we're underneath the back of the van, and so we're going to take you through it. So Mark, tell us what we're going to do first.
Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this plate off here on the centre support arm for the rear spare tyres. We're going to replace this plate, which is already mounted onto the bike receiver. You're going to need a 21mm socket here and a 22mm spanner. And just undo these 4 bolts. We're going to reuse those bolts again when we put the bike receiver on there. So
all right,
here we go.
Let's go.
That's as easy as that.
Nice. So now we've got those off. What's the next step?
Now we put the bike receiver on.
All right, so this might be a 2-person job, yeah?
Yep.
All right, I'm
They're
going to
not the
help.
lightest, but we'll see how we go.
I'll see how much strength I got. Now, just before we go, this little bit here, where you're putting your hand over here.
Yep.
That just hooks over the top, yeah?
Yes, it just hooks over on the top.
All right, I'll put the plate on there. Okay, do you want me to hold this up here?
That's all right. And we'll put some nuts on there. And now we're replacing these bolts up here.
All right. So yeah, like I mean, you can do it one person. Obviously, you've got to sort of hold the weight a little bit, but probably a little bit easier with 2 people.
Yeah,
just someone
absolutely.
to bear the weight. Nice. Once you've got some of those started, then it actually
Everything
holds it
right
in
up.
place. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh, I can just sit back and relax now.
Yeah.
I might just sleep here and let Mark do all the work. Is that the way it works?
Seems to be.
Yeah, there it is. I'll get that for you. Look, I'll do a little bit of work.
Oh, wow.
I'll put that on the top there for you. Oh, you
I should have held something for you.
You got to hold the bottom, mate. I can't do all the work.
There we go.
All right, beautiful. Put that one on. There we go. Right.
This one up.
Now I can relax again. You got it? All right. Let me hold that one there for you. There you go.
There we go.
So you're not going to do them up
No,
all the way?
not all the way. We're just going to line it all up so that it's...
All right. Let me just put that. Yeah. Yep, there you go. You'll have to do that. All right, and last thing is just this little bit down here.
Just this clamp plate here. We'll tighten that up and then tighten the rest of them up.
What size are these ones here?
These are 19mm.
All right, nice. Both for the bolt and the nut?
Yes.
Nice. See, I'm just the video talent. Mark's he's the grunt. He's the grunt work. I'll actually, which one are you going to do?
I'll do
that one there?
Yeah.
I'll hold that for you. All right, bottom one.
Yeah. Top.
Yep. Oh, hold on. Yep, go.
And this one.
Yep.
Beautiful. Maybe take out the bottom one again. Yep.
Nice. And then finally,
Just do these ones up.
yep, swap over to the
21 mil socket.
Let me.
And
There we go. That's all yours.
and there we go. Nice, easy 5-minute job.
Well, we might as well stay down here.
Yeah.
Because we can have a rest for the rest of the day.
That's
But
nice.
that's as easy as it is. Only takes about 5 minutes. Couple of bolts, couple of sizes. So if you're actually after one of our bike racks, hit up any of our stores. They'll be able to give you all the details. And if you didn't get one when you got the van, now you can get one now. So see you next time on another video from Mars.
See you guys.